Your home can be full of different ideas on itself. What matters is, how can you use them and make it work? As from the smallest things, a lot can go wrong. But there is no reason to panic yet, because there is a solution for every problem that can happen in your home life. These math problems are always hard to solve. I wonder if there is something else I can do to take a step back from my work. What if I can make my pen look better? This lava lamp looks pretty amazing. What if I can somehow merge my lava lamp with my pen? At least the idea of that. I know! It can perfectly work! Take your pen and open the back lid of it. Remove pen's core and put some hot glue on the back of the core. Once you're done, put the core back in and pour some baby oil inside. Then you can add some sparkling glitter inside, and to make it look more like a lava lamp. Add some paint and fill it up with baby oil right to the top. That's it. Put the lid back on and you have a beautiful lava pen. Look at all the glitter floating inside. Just fabulous. Wow! My pen looks much better now. Now it definitely looks more like a lava lamp. Alright, where was I? My favorite evenings is when I can paint using threads and listening to my favorite songs. Maybe I can skip to a different song. Oh snap! Look at my headphones. They're all covered in paint. No worries, you can still be creative and use threads to tie them to your headphone cable. Just take your favorite color thread and start adding it to the cable. It's as simple as that. Just thoroughly tie small knots on your cable and keep adding colors you like till you get all your cable covered. Look at my headphones! They are much more fun looking and more colorful. Now I can keep listening to music using my own creative headphones. Let the creativity flow through me. What a lovely picture I have of Lucy. It's wonderful, isn't it? Let's see if I have a frame for it. Where is it? There you go. This frame doesn't look so good to frame Lucy in it. Maybe there's another one. Dominoes? Where did these come from? I don't think I can frame anything with dominoes. What else can I find here? A puzzle. I know! Maybe I can use a puzzle to make this frame look a little better. I think it is a pretty good idea to do so. Take out all of the pieces of your puzzle, place your desired frame, and begin adding glue on your pieces. Then stick it on the frame till you have a puzzle-covered frame. For a better effect, paint with your favorite color. Wow, nice! That's it! Now that's a beautiful-looking frame for Lucy's photo. These mornings! Who left the heating off again? Yikes! The floor is freezing! My feet are cold! What a disastrous morning! My slippers are gone too! Maybe they're under the bed? There is one! A sewing ball? Where did that come from? Bingo! There's another one! I still don't understand where this came from. Maybe I can make something out of it to keep my feet warm next time. Take a hard paper. Firstly, you'll need to draw a bigger circle. You can use a glass to do so. And then draw a smaller circle. Draw 2 lines connecting the smaller circle with the bigger one, and cut out 2 C-forms. Take a knot and circle around the form. Once you're done, cut the knot and use what's left of it to put it between the forms and tie them. And remove the paper form. You should get a nice looking pom-pom. Cut the ends to make it look even better. Pick a base of your choosing and fill it up with all the pom-poms. Once you're done, you should get a Pom Pom Rug. Wonderful! Look at this Pom Pom Rug. It feels so warm and cozy. I'll just place it just beside my bed. Oh my goodness! Can you feel that? It feels so warm and soft for my feet. This is one of the best things ever. Well, it's time for me to go to the grocery store. Let's see if I have any cash. Oh my God! What happened to my cash? Why is it all crushed? Did someone go through my wallet? I can't give it to a vendor like that. Maybe I can use this hair straightener. Yes, it will definitely straighten my cash. Take your crushed bill and simply press with a hair straightener till you get a perfectly looking dollar bill. Look at it! Looks like a brand new dollar. Brilliant! Now that's how money should look. It will be a pity now to spend it. No worries, that's what money is made for. I'll just put it safely here. Time for me to head on.